everyone, and welcome to my channel, and I am Reed, and this is Reed's Beauty Trip. So this one is going to be my rolling perfume roulette project. So that's to go through, use up some perfumes, and where you randomly pick one for every week and such, and use it if you want to use it up, or at least you want to try it out and see, why did you buy it, or is it still good if you've had it in your collection for a while. I have a very large collection at the moment. So I'm using it up because I got little ones. I've got rollerballs. Which I usually pour into spritzers because I'm not really a big rollerball person. And my friend Lori would be like, you shouldn't roll it on your skin anyway. It's supposed to be sprayed and layered on your skin that way where it dries and such. So this month I'm a little behind, so I only have 3 for this month to catch me up to next month. But first we'll do our empties from last month. So this is the Perry Ellis, and it's purple. I would think they would call it amethyst or give it some sexy name, but no, it's purple. I like this. It was one I got in a smaller size. I haven't seen it in a bigger size, but I will tell you, I will buy this again. I have also seen it in the lotion, so I am fascinated once I trim some of this down after this project pan, thin out some of these perfumes that I have and stuff. This is something I would probably be interested in. I have a few of them like that I'm like, oh, I really like this, and then I use it up and I'm like, can I get it again? So as bad as it sounds, I do try to buy everything as local as I can, local stores and such, and not online as much, because I don't want to I don't want to become a Walmart town. So I do try to buy everything I can locally, as much as I can locally. There are things I do have to order. So that is my empty. Yay! It's a little guy, but I will take it. Actually, I thought I had another one, but I don't see it. So for this month, the first week, which I have already done, and I'm just finishing up the second. And this is by Rue 21, and it's #Rue. I have a lot of Rues. I have 20-something-year-old daughters and stuff like that. So actually, I have really been impressed in how much Rue has really stepped up with their perfumes and such. So I actually like them. This is one of the limited editions, but I think they brought it back. You couldn't get it for a little while. Sorry, I got a little farty. But I like this one. It's a little sweeter. They have a bunch of botanics that I've really gotten attached to too, that are like 90 to 95% organic, botanic, more natural. Now all of a sudden I'm frog. I hope I'm not getting sick. I shouldn't be getting sick, but this is one of them. It's a good one. So I've enjoyed it. You can't tell where it's at, but this is a good one, and they're inexpensive. They're between $10 and $15. So very inexpensive. So this week, and I will use this up. This was not, but it is Chloe. It's a tester of the Roses de Chloe. So I like this. I really did. Sometimes I get nervous about certain floral ones and roses and stuff. It might be old lady smelling and stuff. I was very pleasantly surprised with this. So I was very happy with it. So this one, this will be gone. Easy peasy. Fingers crossed. Unless I lose it, then it won't be. And then my third one, and this is one that's coming up. This is by actually Boots, and it's a body mist, and it's called Citrus Pop Fragrance Mist. It kind of reminds me of Squirt, the soda. So, but it's a nice size. It's not one of the big. I have big body mist bottles. I like this. This is one I can pop in my little purse. It's like a little spritz, real quick, feel good. So I really like this one. So these are what are going to be for, like I said, it's just the right size. And I love this little bottle. Honestly, once I empty this and I'll sterilize it, for a lot of my rollerball stuff, I'll change this over. So I am excited about that. So this is a project. This is a project by, oh, what's that? I don't want to say her name wrong. This is with Fantastic Ladies on Facebook, which most of my projects are with Fantastic Ladies. Fantastic, la la. They're fantastic too, but with Fantastic Ladies. This is a project that I really like because, one, you're using, touching them more and stuff. Because sometimes you just go to the same one and same one and same one, but you've bought all these perfumes to try. So I do like that. So we have 2 more updates until the finale, because it goes until January 1st. So January 4th. So December 4th will be the last update. This was my October 4th, which I'm behind. I have already started doing it, but because of I had kind of gotten in a car wreck and some moving into the new house, I've been kind of out of commission for the last few weeks, last few months. So I am catching up. So hopefully everybody will have a wonderful day. If you have any questions, please comment or ask below. And I hope that I will all see you soon. And I am doing videos and stuff down in our unfinished basement until my makeup room is done. So it's a work in progress. So everyone, please bear with me about the boring walls. We'll start fixing them. Just haven't done it yet. So my makeup room has shrunk from my old house to the new house, where I had 2 makeup rooms. I now have 1 makeup room, so it is a work in progress, and finding stuff also has been a chore. So some of my project pans have to be edited, changed, updated in a different way because I have some issues with it. So hopefully everybody have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon.